Hello and welcome to my cave. Today we are starting the front chassis in stage number 4 of Model-Space's Porsche 911 Carrera 2.7 RS. Nothing in this. Then we have the front chassis, which is metal and surprisingly heavy. It's nice quality. And yeah, plenty of screws. These are metal also. This is metal also. This is plastic. So nothing in this. Now we need to put the 2 anti-roll bar rods. These go like, I do have my oil. These appear to be symmetrical, so like so. Like so. And they want us to put the bigger pieces on the inside, so like so. Then this plastic piece goes, put these like this with the bigger one on the inside. Then these go like so and are held in with CP screws that have the flange on them, like so, like so. Then we make sure it's the right way around and put the other side on. Tighten these all the way, and then that is done. Now we take this piece and put this in here with the screw holes mounted forward, and we do have a guiding lug to help us, and this just goes in with AM screws. One side is in, then we put the other side. The oil helps a lot. I think the threads might be damaged, so I will glue it down later. Then next we need this that we did last time, and this just goes like I did undo this part and switch around this tie rod so it will match the instructions, but this just goes like this, and it uses CM screws from the underside, like from the above. One side is done, then put the other side in. Like so. Then this is attached. Then we need the front suspension arms we got in the last stage, and these just slide into here like so, and the other one, the R side and the R side on the chassis, just wiggle like in like so. Now to secure these, it uses these brackets, and they are also marked R and an L, and these are held in with BM screws. Now the other side. Now this is done. Now the last step is to mount these together with DM screws. Like so. Now this moves together, and on the other side doing the same thing. Yes, I will glue this together off camera. Like so. Now this moves together like so, and that is stage 4 complete. Now I just have to wait for the next delivery to start stage 5.